This problem is for white to move. When I see this pattern, all I can think of is desperate times call for desperate measures. So the only hope is this Atari, which is also a cutting point. Right? If you want to capture, you cut. But very obviously, black can capture white's number 1 very easily. But remember, we are on the corner, and we can start a code like this. And this is the correct answer. It's a code, right? So how does this play out? White doesn't capture back, then white will be all dead. If white finds a co-threat on the outside, like this, white captures back. Black can't really connect. If black connects here, then white will play this. If black captures, then this will be a connect and die situation. But of course, here's another code, right? The code continues this way. If black captures back now, it actually won't work for black because white can capture here and white can keep this a fake high. And for the purpose of this problem, we don't know if there's anything on the outside. Black will die this way. So this is not okay for black. When white throws in, black should connect or capture. And this will be a code. It will continue, and this is the best both sides can do. So once again, desperate times call for desperate measure. When you have no eye space, when you have no hope of making 2 real eyes, making a code is also a good choice. Thank you for watching.